part 15. I started this video a little late. My mother. I started this video. I didn't realize that I was making it. I wasn't making it. I thought I was. I didn't have the recording on. I wasn't recording. I thought I was, but I wasn't. Yeah, it was kind of strange. I was kind of, my brain was kind of confused. Risk it for the biscuit. Risk it for the biscuit. You're gonna risk it for the biscuit, aren't you? I thought that truck was. You. What? Oh. Yesterday was part 14. Today's part 15. There's a smashed car down there. I think I was trying to say is there's a car that's smashed right there. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. No, I hate that. Say words. Ooh, yeah. Holy God. And if I just come good. Train horn. Train horn. Rubber duckies? You're not a Jeep. The 3 dogs were barking, Dad. It's pretty cool that red truck. Like, Dad, what did the horn sound like?
It sounded like BNSF was coming through.
Or Seminole Golf. Yeah, because that's what the Seminole Golf ones sound like. Dad, like, make the sound of it. Like, Dad, make the sound of it. Risk it for the biscuit. Got it. Made it to part 15. This is the 15th time. I've been getting people to honk for 15 days. That's crazy. That's impressive. Oh yeah. Car squad. No. Honk the horn. Bro, got the dog. This rare train horn. Surprise. Like I'll give you a hint. It's a red truck. It's like a tan bottle. Christmas is almost here. should have heard that black truck's horn. Dad. No. Run. 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 Like the black truck with like the big wheels on it.
Yeah.
The big tires and the thing. It honked, but you didn't hear it, right? It had like an air horn. You know what it sounded like?
What? Oh, did it really? I didn't hear that.
It was too quiet. I don't think the compressor had too much air in it. It was like. A bird right there, I think it's a duck. Wow! He's eating a fish. You see the fish in his mouth? I saw a fish jump out of the water. See, there it is. Kind of see it flapping around. He's eating it. There he goes, straight into the water. Oh, another one of my favorite Jeeps, I think. Nope, it's not my favorite. Yeah, it wasn't the one. No. Too bright. Toyota. Who was? Oh, what, the one in the little Toyota? She was flying down there? Yeah. Airplane way up there! There's an airplane up there. F-150. 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 I could use that for my new profile picture. Just kidding, I'm not gonna make any profile pictures anytime soon. I thought that guy had a train horn, but I guess he doesn't have a horn at all. Jeez!
You're having a lot of fun with that traffic, aren't you?
Yes. Sometimes they would honk if I do that. You! Bro! Yeah? Hey. Why is nobody honking? Wow. Look at all this all this trash on the road. Look at this. Look at all this trash. Fan right there. Get a fan under there. There was 3 fans they were throwing out. Or it could have been 4. Hey, that drawer kind of looks like mine in my closet. Oh, it's Dang it! Dang it! You! I was about to get a truck to honk, but he didn't listen. Is that a Concord? I think that's a Concord. That's a Concord. Wait. I think it was the British Airways one that crashed. I think the other one's the American Airlines. Was it the American Airlines that had one? I'm not sure. I think it probably was the American Airlines. It's a Concord. I think that's the Concord plane. I think that's the American Airlines one. Wow! Wow. I'm gonna want to hear his license plate in it too. So far, I think it lines out their license plates because you can't really see them. Oh, another favorite tree. Ha, ha. Police. Nope, it's not police. It's not a police. I thought it was the police for a second. You? I know it wasn't you. That was loud. Kia. Way too fast. Deep honk. Ooh, a truck. Ooh, a truck. You? You want to? I can't do it. Oh, yes. Yeah. You? Nope. But anyways, that's gonna wrap it up for part 15. We'll see you guys in part 16.